Folks, a quieter day across the valley today. There were showers, but they were few and far between. Tomorrow probably a little more active, and then Sunday a lot more active. This is what radar looks like tonight. Not much left out there. The showers were there earlier this evening have moved out. A few showers offshore. That's about it. And the cloud cover reflects the same thing. Just a few clouds left over, but now we're clearing out across the area. That will likely change, though, over the next couple of days. Let's watch future tracks. Says tonight, an isolated shower possible, especially near the coast, but then look at tomorrow afternoon. Future track has now kind of come back to life, suggesting that there will be some showers or even a thunderstorm along the sea breeze during the afternoon tomorrow. Maybe a little more active than today. Not as active as a couple of days ago when a lot of places saw rain, but at least some places will see showers and maybe a thunderstorm tomorrow. We're holding at 20%, but that could go up just a little bit. And then you look ahead to Sunday, and again, scattered showers and thunderstorms, perhaps even more active. We're going about 50% for Sunday. And then look at Monday. There's green all over the place on this map and some yellow embedded within that. Showers, thunderstorms, and heavy rainfall is a possibility on Monday. We're going to keep an eye out for that. If you live in a flood-prone area, just pay attention to the weather by the time we get to the early part of next week. Your chance of rain goes from 20 to 50 to 80 by Monday, and it holds at 80 on Tuesday and not far from that on Wednesday. So the chance of rain builds back in and then sticks around. How much rain are we talking about? Well, during the daytime tomorrow, unless you get caught under a thunder shower, it's pretty light. But look at that, close to an inch someplace. It says Edinburgh, but that could be anywhere around here. Hard to say exactly where it'll happen, but bottom line is some places could get a downpour tomorrow. You go to Sunday, same kind of thing. There'll be isolated downpours. We keep adding to the rainfall totals, but then Monday, that's when things really start to build. This stops at 1 o'clock, but by Monday afternoon, Monday evening, we could see quite a bit more rain across the area. This is the high-resolution satellite. If you'll recall, we were tracking the system on this side of the Yucatan Peninsula yesterday. That now is just a non-entity. It's a tropical wave that's pushing westward. This now is the different system, has a 10% chance of developing the next 2 to 5 days. Obviously, that's a very low chance, but we watch it nonetheless as it moves off to the west-northwest. And look how that moisture really begins to move in late Sunday into Monday and Tuesday, and then it just stays over our area. Look at that. You got oranges and pinks and all the colors in there, and that would indicate an awful lot of rain the middle part of next week. Now, if you have travel plans this weekend, this shows who's probably going to get rain. And look at this, all the way into next week. I mean, we get the most down here now, but look to the north. Everybody north of us getting an inch or two of rain. Here, the southern part of the valley, as much as 4 to 6 by the end of next week, so it could get rather wet out there. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand. We're all in the 80s right now, 81 in Raymondville, 86 in McAllen. Spotty showers tomorrow, a high in the mid-90s, and then the next 3 days, we stay below average after tomorrow. Once we get down in the upper 80s, we might stay there for a couple of days. So pretty good cool down coming as a result of the rain. So tonight, an isolated shower, 77 for a low. Then tomorrow, spotty showers and a thunderstorm. More active than today, more like yesterday, where a few folks see a thunderstorm, rains pretty hard for a little while, and then it moves on out. For Father's Day, more activity, up to 50%. And then we're at 80% Monday, Tuesday, 70% Wednesday. Still a good chance on Thursday. And then Friday, while it tapers off, there could still be a shower or thunderstorm in the area. So it looks like early next week could be rather wet. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.